go check out Saguaro Lake, but first we have to drive there from our campsite.
They got a lot of snow over there. A lot. I can't believe this is in Arizona. In March. This is crazy. What the is going on? Also, look out the window. I know, Sparrow, it's very exciting, isn't it? There's lots to see. Yes. Lots. Very pretty. And huge mountains of snow in front of us. I think that might have happened yesterday when all the rain was here, because like I had no idea that that mountain even existed there. Holy crap. No, it's not just clouds, it's all snow. It's amazing. So this lake is like phenomenal, isn't it, Sparrow?
Yes, it's quite phenomenal.
Yes. And there's cliffs all around. And we're just driving through, I think this is Saguaro Lake recreation area. And we're just driving through it right now. We're gonna go back to where the trailhead is. And it's like a vista trail, which kind of hikes, I believe, up there. Up there. So right now we're just kind of like going through the loops and checking out the place. And then we'll head back. Look at that. Wow. I gotta watch where I'm going here. Look at that. Pretty lake. Very pretty. Very pretty. But I have a feeling if we take this hike, we're probably gonna get even better views. So like, I'm here early. I'm gonna try and get some better views from the trail, and like, let's get out there before it gets A, really warm, and B, people. Ew, because people. Just look at that. Wow. Hold on. That's pretty awesome. It's beautiful here. Oh my goodness. Wow. And there's birds singing, so that's cool.
We're at the trailhead, gonna go for a hike. Hopefully it goes into the cliffs.
I don't know if you can hear that music. This is why I don't come here on the weekend. It's Saturday. But I lost a day yesterday because it was raining, so we're just gonna enjoy it as much as we can and bite our tongue. Yeah.
Well, the trail seems to be going away from the cliffs, but I don't know, maybe it'll double back. Let's see. Also, never mind my huffing and puffing.
That's crazy. I have no idea where the trail is, because that was not it. It just like dead ends. There's nowhere that it goes, and it gets really steep and dangerous. Like you can't get your footing. So like I had to take Sparrow off the leash because you can't navigate without holding yourself against rocks and stuff. You have to like leverage yourself because it's like scrambling. So I don't know, we're gonna try and find our way back down. This was weird. That was a big sign for a trail, for it not to be a trail. That's kind of weird. I don't know. It sucks because like you want to go on the trail and you want to see the trail. And then like, see, they put benches up here and everything. There's like, so I don't know what this trail was. It literally went to nowhere. Like into a cactus. But it's frustrating when they don't label trails. And that's another thing that'll happen when no one's there to label them because they fired all these people from the national parks. It's really frustrating when you don't have a labeled trail because A, now that they don't have all these search and rescue people that they fired too, if you get lost or hurt, no one's coming to save you. You're so no one's going to be out here enjoying it unless they're like survival people. I do have some skill, but like I'm not. No, I like to stay on trails where mostly people are going to be just in case. I see a trail over there, kind of over in the distance. We're going to go do that, but it sucks because like I just spent a lot of energy and frustration trying to get up and down this trail, and I feel like now I'm not going to have the energy to do the whole trail in the other way. So that kind of sucks. It's frustrating. Arizona, do better. God, you do this all the time. Looks like there used to be a sign here, but you know, they didn't maintain it. So I guess we're going to follow it this way. We'll see. I can see where it goes way over there, but like I didn't want to go that way. That's back to the road, and the other road is right up there. I wanted to go around the lake. I don't know. We'll see. I'm super disappointed in this trail. Like all it does is go away from everything beautiful. And all I can do the whole time is hear boats, people, and loud music. and people like screaming and being dumb. And like, I get on nature walks to get away from that. There's all that beauty over there, and they make the trail go back to the road. What? Yeah, see, it goes back to the road. Why would you have this vast expanse of desert to make a beautiful trail in so we can go explore nature, and you keep us around the marina? Look at all that. There's so much beauty to explore. I don't know, it's just a little disappointing because you see this beautiful expanse of absolute beauty and it leads you in the opposite direction to the road. The trailhead is far away from where you can park just a regular vehicle. Like, it's located near all the parking for the boats and trailers. So it doesn't, like, you spend half the time trying to park and then getting to the trailhead, and then you get to the trailhead and it's not even that. It's like, oh, this is it? Oh. So like you've wasted your energy already before you even, yeah, not impressed. 0 out of 10. It's a nice nature walk, but it's not really a hike, and it's not like labeled, and there's just a bunch of benches. I guess we're just gonna go back to the van and get back into town and run errands today.
I'm just super disappointed.
Listen, it can't always be paradise, right? So we had like a whole week of awesome. Yesterday rained, but that was okay. We got to see the wild horses. The wild horses came like so close to the van. That was awesome. And we still got a lot of awesome, beautiful hikes in. And to be honest, you can't beat this view. Like, that's pretty dope. And I have a feeling we'll be back. And there's gotta be another trail that like does these mountains. There has to be, like, no way. If not, like, I'll freaking make one. I'm really okay with it. I'm a little frustrated that like I was led astray
By the reviews online.
you know? And there's no signage and there's no map or anything, which is kind of frustrating. Like, you kind of need a map when you put up a trail. Like, that's not cool. So there were like a lot of bummers about this, but not this area in total. Like, it was a great trip. I'm glad we came. And I have to get stuff done in town anyway. And I have to be in town because I have a live tonight. Want to join me for that? I do that Wednesdays and Saturday nights at 5 p.m. Arizona time. That's on my Patreon.
And my Patreon handle is Bunny and Beyond. All one word.
No, I mean, like, that really sucks because, like, that looks like so much fun to explore up there. Look, there's, like, caves. Like, come on. You don't want to go up there? You know you want to go up there. Even if it's up there looking down. They could totally have made a trail this way. I don't know why they didn't. And Sparrow's having fun. I guess that's what matters, huh? Would you get it? You're so funny. This is just how unwell thought out it is. Like, that's the trailhead. There's not even like a sidewalk so that you can safely get to the trailhead. And you have to park all the way down there, like half a mile, because all of this parking is for trailers and trucks only. And wait till you see how narrow this road gets. Look at this. There's nowhere to walk, and there's these huge trucks. Look at this. It's crazy. Not even on that side.
So it doesn't look very busy right now, but trust me, this place gets packed. And there's still no sidewalk on either side. The only way to get back to your vehicle from the trailhead is to walk on this road, which is very busy with big trucks, and you're pushed up against these thorny bushes. It just feels like they didn't think this out very well when they made the trail.
Did you get it, Sparrow? Did you get it? Did you get it? Get it, Sparrow, get it. Okay, ready? Come on. Once you get back to where the cars are parked, there is a sidewalk, but like, there's no way to at least see how narrow that is right there. That's where you have to walk, either that or in front of the cars. Like, people are trying to walk with their kids and their dogs, and like, you can't even give them a sidewalk to safely get to the trailhead, and you force them to park all the way down here. I'm sorry, that is not smart. At least he gets to have fun, right?
Yep, I get to have all the fun because I'm a dog and I like to be in the water. And this water tastes delicious, like algae and boat stuff.
Fun? Wanna go swimming?
No, I'm going to explore all this beach stuff, Mom. I think I found a dead fish over here.
So pretty though, look at that. Look at way over there. That's crazy, it doesn't even look real. Ready? Go get it!
I don't know how to get that thing.
Go get it, Sparrow! Go get that thing! Go get it!
I don't know how, Mom.
You can go swimming. It's really easy. You can do this, Sparrow.
No, Mommy, I don't think I can. That's over my head.
I just kept throwing things in the water for him, hoping that he would try to go chase it, but he really was reluctant to go all the way in and really swim with his feet.
You are a good boy.
But he was having so much fun just chasing the splashing water, so I kept throwing things in, and he kept going deeper and deeper.
It's okay, go get it!
Can't, Mom. I cannot touch the bottom. I don't know how.
You can tell he wants to, and he's really frustrated at this point.
You can get it, it's okay.
I can't touch, Mom. I don't know how to swim.
Okay, ready? Look. Go get it! I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. You gotta go get it. Look, Sparrow, look.
And then it happened. And once he realized he could swim, he did not want to stop. That was it. There were a few times he just kept swimming into the lake and I had to call him back. I think he would have swam clear to the other side.
You did it! You're so good!
Mom, did you see that? I went swimming. I'm gonna get that thing, Mom.
I know, you're amazing, Sparrow. Good boy.
I think he was chasing the actual tiny little water waves and splashes here.
What is it?
Oh my God, I got to get it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what to get. Swimming around.
You're gonna sleep so good tonight, buddy. Where are you going?
I'm coming back now, Mom. I think I've had enough swimming. It's over here. I'll check this out too.
He's trying to swim to the other side. Sparrow, come on back. Come on. There you go. You are so funny. Good boy. Good boy. Sparrow's going for a swim.
I'm going for a swim, guys. I'll be here all week.
So then, of course, I had to join in the fun. And then take a little bird bath. At this point, he found a rock under the water that he kept trying to pick up. He thought it was a ball. And he proceeded to have a temper tantrum over not being able to pick it up. And then we found a dead fish.
Ew.
Then back to the van for a little break.
Sparrow, we gotta go back in the van. Come on.
I'm not going in the van, Mom.
Come on, Sparrow. Come on.
No, I want to play in the water.
Baby, you're shivering. Does Sparrow want to go back to the water?
Oh, please, Mom. I will do anything to go back down there. That was so much fun.
Okay, let me just go to the bathroom and then we'll go back down.
Okay, Mom, I love you.
And this time we went with the ball, of course.
Bring it back? You got it! Good boy!
course, we had to play over and over and over and over and over with the ball.
He doesn't want to go back to the van. Sparrow, you ready to go back to the van?
No way, Ma. I don't want to go back to the van. I'm actually gonna keep trying to sneak back down to the water now, Mom. I'm not gonna listen to you at all.
No, we're gonna go back.
I don't like this game, Mommy.
Come on, you gotta bring it. You bring the ball. Come on, bring it up.
No, we'll go back down to the water and go swimming some more, Mom.
No, Sparrow. Come on.
Of course, as usual, he caught a crowd of people's attention.
Go say hi and get the... Oh, sorry, he's all wet. Sparrow, come on, buddy. You ready to go back to the van?
Gotta play with the ball again.
Well, come on, we're gonna go back in.
No. Look, there's the ball. Now you gotta throw it for me, Mom.
This is him being defiant. Sparrow, we have to go back in the van.
I don't want to.
Oh my God, look at your face. He's still being defiant. Come on, we gotta go in the van. Come on.
Not leaving the beach.
No. Come on, baby. Come on in the van.
Mommy, I don't want to.
Come on, Sparrow. You gotta go in the van.
Hate you, Mom.
No, you don't. You're just a toddler. And then we have the people who ruin the nature.
Wow, you're so gangster in that boat in the middle of a beautiful lake. So gangster.
Well, other than the massive amounts of people there, we had a great time at Saguaro Lake. Go check it out if you're in the Salt River area.